You can earn $10 by listening to just one song, $15 by listening to 2 songs, and $80 by listening to 10 songs. Think about how it might feel to be compensated for listening to music. On this site, I've already made around $1,000, and this is how it works. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. The first thing you should do is go to Pixabay.com. On their website, I want you to look for the Music tab. Just enter Pixabay.com/music into your browser if you can't find it. On this website, you can find music tracks that are available for download and listening by everyone. As you can see from the search bar here, you may look up a musician, a song, a genre, or music to listen to when you're feeling a particular way. If you scroll down, you'll see that this website provides all of these audio tracks that you may download to any device. You can download as many songs as you like for free, and there are no related expenses. We'll do more than just download and play songs on this website. I'm going to walk you through an interesting method you may utilize on this website to earn consistent profits like those displayed above. This demonstrates that the strategy will work for you. You can see that there is an unending list and that this tactic is now being used daily to make money. Just think of the total amounts of money you could earn if you receive payments like these every day. If you listen to at least 50 to 100 songs every day, you will be able to employ this method even if you are a novice and have never made any money online. Make sure your laptop or smartphone is handy so you can follow along. On this website, you can view tens of thousands of songs. Not simply any songs that we locate on our website will be downloaded. I'm going to provide you some original ideas that I personally followed and that will help you raise your income. Let's navigate to the left side of this website to find the various genres into which this music is divided: electronic, upbeat, beats, gorgeous plays, alternative, hip-hop, main title music, ambient, and many other genres will be displayed here. On Pixabay Music, you may find a huge selection of music and earn around $10 for each one you download and play repeatedly. Therefore, all you have to do to start the song playing is come over here and press the play button. You can listen to this song all the way through and then move on to the next step of this process if you find that you like it and you think that other people will too. In contrast, if you don't enjoy it and you can fairly assume that other people won't either, just stop listening to it and choose some other music. For this tutorial, let's type pop music into the search field. Pop music will be used as an example because it is a very popular genre and you may likely start making money with it very quickly. Let's hit the play button once more to listen to a song sample. I'll only give this song a brief listen to see if it's a good pop song. I think this song is really cool, and I could picture myself listening to it over and over. Next, click this button to immediately download this song to your computer. Repeating the steps of listening to this song, selecting the ones we think will be interesting to listen to, and then downloading them to your laptop will help you get ready for the next phase. The more songs you download and listen to, the more money you'll make, so keep that in mind. I advise spending some more time listening to these songs, downloading your favorites, and finishing the stage. The next thing you need to do is go to up-forever.com for distributing our music files. Up Forever, a cost-free service, will compensate us. The advantage of posting your work online is that there are no traffic constraints. Although I am aware that you may be concerned about what would happen if several individuals download the same music and upload it to our website. We won't be getting traffic from the same source as everyone else because millions of people worldwide are looking for these pieces of music. According to what is stated right here on their website, you can choose to put these advantages into items. We may safely upload our files, and we can then withdraw our earnings using a number of different payment options. There will be some commercial displayed when someone downloads a file that you have uploaded to their website. They can opt to skip them or watch them. The system operates in this manner. They're sharing the ad money from this platform with you, so you will gain from it as well as the platform. I'll provide a concrete illustration of how to boost your revenue. You may easily and quickly sign up. The process won't take more than a minute. You only need to provide extremely basic information about yourself. To access your account, enter your login details here and then log in. They will give you the most affordable price available. If you want to see how this works in action, click here where it says Make Money. The table below shows your potential earnings, which are based on where the majority of your downloads will originate. For instance, if Tier 4 countries accounted for the majority of your downloads, you would get $3. If you get downloads from Tier 2 and 3, you'll get paid $4. And if you get downloads from Tier 1 countries, you'll get paid $7. The choices for taking your money off of this platform are listed below. In addition to PayPal, Payer, WebMoney, Perfect Money, Paysera, and ADV Cash, you can choose from any of these additional payment methods. The minimum payout for them is $1. When you reach this minimum level, you can withdraw any cash you have made. But if you scroll down, you will see that there are about 5 different ways to earn money from this website. The one where I can choose the price for these files to be sold through my account and make money each time someone downloads my stuff is the one that appeals to me the most. Allow me to get into my account so I can show you how to configure this. This is my dashboard, and using this method, I've already profited about $1,000 in a recent account I opened. Additionally, I shared my referral link with others and on my social media profiles. The advantage of these suggestions is that I benefit each time one of them is successful. Every time I receive at least 10% of what they earn. On the left, where you may configure this, you can see every function that is available on your dashboard. Simply click here where it says Upload Files and select Choose File to upload one of the tracks you downloaded from Pixabay. Make sure it is set to public before putting the song's description in this area. Click Start Upload to start the upload process of your files. After submitting your files, click this pencil symbol to choose your desired price. I'll merely put in $6 as the song's price, which means I'll make around that amount every time someone downloads it. The process can be repeated as many times as you'd like to add more songs. Make careful to listen to these musical choices and determine whether they are good tunes. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming video and I'll see you there.